See, it should, that the counter should be right there in red when you're horizontal, and when you're vertical, it's there. So when it's there and I'm holding it like this, I know it's going to come out. Yeah, it's going to come out. That's why it's like half of them are like, what's wrong with him? No, it's telling me that it's doing it, but it's really not doing it. It's my phone. It's not me.
It's sure, blame.
It's me.
The tool man who blames his
tool.
blame the tool, not the worker, right?
Yeah, well, the artist that blames his tools is.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
I was gonna paint it, but the brush was being difficult. Each stroke is another step towards completion.
Okay.
No, it's looking good. I jest, but I do it out of love.
Usually the second coat dries much quicker.
Do you think that has anything to do with the first coat, science-wise?
Yeah.
Or? Oh, okay. I was asking out of ignorance. I don't know.
A bad thing is when you go to put on the second coat and the first coat isn't totally dry, it'll like pick it up and you'll end with
like
bald spots.
Gummy. Ew. Okay.
You know, like acrylic paint. If you go to put the second coat on, this will do that.
Oh, whoops! I'm just filming your T-shirt at this point. That's all.
Have you seen the ad for the new movie?
Uh-oh.
I have not.
Coyote versus Acme. And it stars that guy that used to be on Saturday Night Live. He's a lawyer representing the Coyote who's suing the Acme company.
Now
that's everything explodes.
That's kind of funny. Yeah, it does. Well, it's so funny that like back east, Acme's a real thing, and out here it's just Looney Tunes. No, it's a real place.
Anyway, on YouTube, just put that in. Coyote versus Acme. The trailer is really fun.
I'll have to check it out. Well done, sir.
There you go.
It's looking good.
All right.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay.
Cucumbers.
So, spots like here where you got a lot of them together and here on the neck, that's going to come out really like that.
Okay.
It's going to look cool.
All right, cool. Happy accidents.
It's a happy little tree.
Right, so it's this.
You better let that dry so that you can hold the inside of it, dude.
Oh, that's right.
Here, we're going to take another break.